Hi class, so today I'd like to go over a great study tool and study feature located in your CengageNOW course account. Now that wonderful study tool is known as the CNOW V2 Adaptive Study Plan and Show Me How videos. So from your ebook link, student resources, and technical support module, you will find that link. Now the link is also located right before you take any chapter test within your weekly assignment modules. However, the quickest and easiest way to get to it is from the ebook, student resources, and technical support module. So you click on the link, and remember, all CengageNOW assignments and links will load in a new window to make it easy to navigate back to Canvas. Now, you may not have to log in. The reason I'm being asked to log in is because I'm using my test student account. So you may or may not have to log in, but most likely you will not be asked to log in. Again, the reason I have to log in is because this is my test student account. So once you log in, you'll be taken to the CengageNOW homepage. All you have to do is click Enter the Course. And once you enter the course, what you're going to do is click on the Study Tools tab. Now, this tab is also available from any of your CengageNOW windows. So when I click on the Study Tools tab, I then click on the Adaptive Study Plan. You also have another Study Tools link here. So I'm going to first go over that Adaptive Study Tools Plan. This is a wonderful feature to review all the different objectives or specific objectives within the chapter. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick Chapter 2. And notice you can resume studying, so you don't have to complete this all at once. So I'm going to click on Start Studying for Chapter 2. So what it's going to give you is an assessment check to check your knowledge. And then it's going to create an adaptive study plan based on the information that you enter accurately or the information and questions that you enter incorrectly. So it's going to build that study plan for you. Okay, so let's click Get Started. Now I'm going to click and answer most of these incorrectly because again, I want to show you how it creates that adaptive study plan for you. So I'm just clicking on questions. I'm not even really paying attention. I just want to answer them and then show you how the adaptive study plan is created. And I'm not even going to answer all of them, just answering a few. Again, the questions that you don't answer, it's going to assume that you don't know them. And notice you can also click Next Question. Scroll down. And let's go ahead. Okay, so now I'm just going to click on I'm done. So it's going to let me know that I didn't answer all of them, but I'm going to say go ahead. Yes, I'm done. Remember, this is just an overview to show you how this adaptive study plan works, which again is a great feature to help you review the material in the course. So here's my current assessment. I can click to improve the score and retake the assessment quiz. Notice here it tells you which chapter objectives you answered correctly or incorrectly. Remember, most of these I skipped. So now notice it's telling me the questions, what I got correct, which ones are incorrect, which ones are unanswered. So notice here, you can look at the question. It tells me what I got correct. Problem 9, I answered it incorrectly. It gives you the correct answer. So all you have to do is click on these drop-down arrows and gives us all that information. So a great resource to review everything. So now let's click on Improve Score. So from here, it tells us the assessment content. So it tells me, for example, describe the characteristics of an account and chart of accounts. So let's say you want to quiz yourself. If you click on Quiz Yourself, okay, let's start the quiz. It's going to give us more questions. So then you can determine whether you know the concepts or not. So let's go back and resume the studying. Or you could have just clicked the back arrow. Here's going back to quizzing yourself if you want to. So I'm going to click I'm done. Because again, I just want to show you some different things. So let's go back. And let's say, for example, you want to get more help. So you take the quiz again, you still don't know any of the information and you want to get more help. So let's click on Get More Help. And this is an excellent resource. You can click here and it takes you straight to the ebook for that specific section that covers that information. You have the Tell Me More videos. You have all of the Show Me How videos. This is excellent. So let's, for example, click on a Show Me How. Opens in a new window.
In this video,
Play button,
we will see
and
how
it
to
goes
journalize
over
transactions.
how to journalize those questions and the information that you got incorrect. If you want to go to the ebook, just click on the link to go to the ebook. And again, takes you straight to that section where you can read the information about the objectives that you answered incorrectly. So excellent resource. Notice we were on chapter 2, and what I got incorrectly was using accounts to record transactions. So makes it so easy to review and study from. You have Tell Me More. These are videos that go over more of the concepts. So it's excellent. So you have as much practice as you need. So if you want to go back and redo the quiz, again, you can click the back arrow, or we can say, let's quiz yourself again. Start the quiz again and answer the questions. Again, I'm just kind of skipping around, not even reading them. Say I'm done, and then we finish. So you got 1 out of 4 problems correct. It again will tell you which ones you got incorrect, which ones you got correct, so you can review all of those questions and practice and quiz yourself. So notice here, this was the next set of objectives. You could quiz yourself again, you could get more help. Now remember, you can do this for all of the chapters in the course. So such an excellent review. So just as a review again, from the module that says ebook student resources technical support, I clicked on the CNOW V2 study tools. Then I clicked on the link, it opened to the new window. I clicked into the course, which then opened to this window. So it basically opened to the assignments tab, and what I did was click on study tools. And then remember, I clicked on the adaptive study plan. Now, if you'd like, you could also click on the study tools tab. And from the study tools, you can select any chapter. So let's say, for example, chapter 2. Then you have crossword puzzles, flashcards, all kinds of excellent resources for that chapter. But what I really like is that adaptive study plan. That adaptive study plan, again, allows you to take a quiz, like a pre-quiz, whatever questions that you get correct or incorrect, it will then lead you to additional studying. Remember, you can start it and stop it at any time. Let's go back to look at that chapter 1 that I had previously taken. So notice here, it goes right back to the study tools for the questions I had gotten incorrectly. I can quiz myself again, or I can go back to those resources. So this is an excellent study tool for you. Again, great way to review current chapters, previous chapter material. Again, if you want to resume it, study as often as you need. Quiz yourself again. Again, tells you exactly which concepts you got incorrect, which ones you got correct, and allows you to get more help. There's so many excellent resources here. It's definitely important to take advantage of those. And based on the different objectives and sections, you can also go to more practice problems. So this completes our overview of that adaptive study tool for CengageNOW.